Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. We got all our parts for this actually Audi A6. Now we're going to assemble everything. So you can see we cleaned as much as you can, everywhere we can. Here, this side we basically stripped everything down to clean everything. Down here as well for the oil cooler. Down there. Water pump at the front. Let's have a look at the actual. This is the lower part of the intake manifold. We removed it as well. Very dirty as well compared to the other video. Photo body. See how clean it is compared to the other video. Flap here for the actual EGR. Cleaned as well. Intake pipes here cleaned as well. Pretty much everything. You come here and look at the intake manifold. Intake manifold's clean as well. All the parts here are from Audi. None of the parts are OEM because most of the OEM parts have been taken, because that's the first thing that people ring up to order is OEM. Like some of the OEM stuff are good, but for this vehicle we had nothing in stock. They had no water pump in stock. They had nothing in stock whatsoever. So we had to go to Audi. Otherwise I have to wait 2 to 3 weeks before we get the part that we need from the OEM. So this time we have to go Audi. So everything is Audi on this car here. We have a channel now on YouTube that we're gonna start putting part numbers and all that, but I need people's support. We're gonna start a subscription channel so we can start doing, so people can actually subscribe to my channel for under $5 a month, and that will give me some time to come in on a Saturday and actually on the weekend, one day on the weekend, and do videos so I can actually show how it's done properly, and then people can actually see the part numbers, and at least I can spend the whole day and get some money for it. So that will help me to actually run the workshop properly as well. Otherwise I'll be spending a lot of time on just doing videos, and a lot of people say to me, oh, the video is not long enough, but not showing it properly. But that's why I want to start the subscription channel, so I can actually do the long videos at my own time on the weekend to show the torque figures, what needs to be removed, and how big the job is. But for now, we're ready to actually assemble everything on this car here, and hopefully we can finish it and start it, and then pressure test it, and I'm gonna take it down to the actual wash bay and give it a nice gurney and clean everything underneath, front, and on the sides. But for now we are ready to assemble, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.